Hi everybody, here's day 10's update. Well, last night I did end up getting some rest, but I'm going to tell you something. When I woke up this morning about 5 o'clock, my throat was so messed up. I was in so much pain. Um, I don't even know where to start. I think this morning was probably the worst day I've had in about 3 to 4 days. I tried brush my teeth. I tried everything. I ended up with so much drainage and so much pain. I mean, I was like extremely, extremely sick. And I hope that doesn't happen again tomorrow. But, you'd think after 10 days, this would be done and over with by now. But apparently not. I figured I would have been done, healed up, and in perfect shape by now. But that's the way it goes. Now, I've got a couple more days left, and then I'll be going back to the doctor. And that's where I'm going to be in some serious, serious pain. They're going to do a clean out of my nose and my passageways and everything like that. So I was already told to make sure I took some pain pills for that. So I guess that's what I get to look forward to here in a couple days. But until then, I guess, right? Now, I will tell you that I did eat some French toast this morning, but the way that I had to cook that was I had to undercook it. Not to the point where it was like disgusting, but to the point where the bread was actually soft enough for me to eat. I mean, super soft. And I was able to eat 4 pieces of French toast, drink some water. But I'm going to tell you what, though, it took me at least a good hour or so to get everything straightened up with me. As you can hear, my voice is still messed up. So I'm still waiting for that to come back fully. My breathing is amazing right now, but I can still tell it's not 100%. Just because I can feel, things in my sinus area. But I don't know. Anyways, as for day 10 so far, it's been pretty rough. So I just got my shower. Things are a little bit better. I was able to eat, and I'm feeling better from all that. And I lost another pound. So I'm at 17 pounds now that I've lost. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and hop off here. And later on this evening, I'll let you know how my day went. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. And make sure you catch all my videos. Thank you. Hi, everybody. It's time for that nightly update. It's day 10, and I'm just going to tell you that, last night when I woke up, early this morning, actually, it was downright horrible. Now, during the daytime period, it got a little bit better, then it got worse, and then it started leveling off. And I'm going to say somewhere around 6 o'clock this evening, everything was just pretty well good to go. I had very little pain at all in my mouth. And it's been like that. Well, right now it's about, it's a little bit after 11 o'clock right now. So I've actually been pretty well good to go for a while. But I just got out of the shower, and I don't know. My jaw is starting to hurt again. My ears are starting to hurt again. I'm not sure if it's from the moisture, from the hot shower. Who knows? But I don't know. You know, when they told me that because I'm 46 years old, that it would take a lot longer for me to heal, I really didn't think much about it. Because, you know, I've seen kids, heck, my own kids have had the tonsil stuff. And, you know, they healed up in no time. I just cannot believe this has been, here we are towards the end of day 10 right now. And I'm still having problems with this. My voice is still not completely correct yet. But I will tell you, today has been, after the badness went away, you know, like later this afternoon, everything started leveling off, and I'll tell you what, I actually felt pretty decent for a little change. But anyways, I'm going to go ahead and hop off here for tonight. Now, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, and make sure you catch my other videos. But I'll give you an update for day 11 in the morning. So thank you all, and you have a great night. Thank you. Bye.